In this video we are going to learn how to recover deleted photographs from 64GB pen drive using DiskDigger professional recovery software. DiskDigger recovery software recovers data from all types of USB flash drives. We are connecting 64GB pen drive to computer. For example, we have some photographs in pen drive, and we are deleting these photos for recovery purpose. Open DiskDigger professional recovery software. Software has 4 recovery modes: basic search, deep search, photo search, and signature search. Choose any one recovery mode. We are choosing photo search for restoring deleted photographs. You can also select other recovery modes for recovering data files. Select partitions in physical or logical drives, and go to next. Browse the path where recovered data will be saved by DiskDigger recovery software, and continue. Recovery is going on. Photographs are recovered successfully. Open containing folder to see your recovered photos, as we have shown here. Thanks for watching this video.